What if right before a meeting you could see what decisions were made in the previous meeting and the meeting was prepared for you? That is now reality, and it's easy. Yes, you can see decisions from your calendar, and the meeting is automatically prepared, whether you are just taking notes, leading a workshop, leading an ideation session, discussing a timeline, leading a one-on-one, or even a team retro. Also, all stakeholders and team members will see this on their calendar and will be automatically held accountable. To do that, choose the template for the meeting or create your own. Add a date and define how many hours or days it should be open and mark it as recurring. If meetings happen as they come, that is okay too. Add one here and then add the meeting or session when needed. If those sessions or meetings are recurring, then add the number of times those meetings will repeat. Once a month? Once a year? Automatically, it will prepare it for you, schedule it, hold people accountable, and keep decisions on your calendar and inside the session, so you can access previous decisions when you need them. It's that simple. Start today with NovaPro.